Everyone, so today we will start again on the HTML course, and first today we will learn on the special characters, some of the special characters that are used in HTML. So let's get started on it. Let me open the Visual Studio. So this is the Visual Studio and this is the basic HTML template that has been written. So let me give the page title as special characters. So let me remove these lines. So let's see how many special characters we can write here. So first start with the less than. This is the break rule. Then next we can write the copyright symbol. Then registered symbol. Next we can write like quotation, and you can also write ampersand. And save it. So these are the few special characters that we are trying to run in our Visual Studio Code. So let's run it. So as you can see in the screen, so we have printed the lesser than sign, copyright, registered, quotation and ampersand sign. Correct? So yes, so we are ending our video here. Thank you for watching.